Aunt, actually, I have not kept any fast. Yes, I remember now that I had to cut fruits for Rahul brother and uncle. I'll be back after I'm done.
The girl who touches the vermilion must be pure. The one whose hair keeps growing like her devotion.
Mom, I will go and help Radha. Radha's help? That also my daughter is doing? There must be some plan on her mind. That's the reason she is gone.
I was holding the idol in my hands. I would have had to lie for my grandmother. What would have happened? Lord Krishna.
Wow, Radha, you know everything. Where did you learn all this?
At my village. This is how we celebrate Haryali Tej, and I was the one who did this all.
No wonder you are so sensible. You take care of everyone.
A girl who doesn't commit sins.
By the way, you must have been naughty in your childhood. Maybe you used to beat your friends. I'm sure you used to lie at home.
No, Sister Damini. Not at all. God will punish me if I do such things. I have been like this since my childhood. I have never hit anyone or hurt anybody. No, not at all.
Someone who's gentle and pure as the Ganges.
You are so pretty. You look so lovely. Boys must be giving you a lot of attention. Do you have a boyfriend?
No, you! Sister Damini, what are you saying? Lord Krishna, forgive me. Not at all. I swear to Lord Krishna, I have never seen anyone that way. I have attachment to Lord Krishna only. That's all, nothing more.
The one whose hair keeps growing like her devotion.
You don't give attention, but I'm sure many boys like you. You have such long and beautiful hair. Boys like such hair a lot. Have you never got a haircut?
No, not at all. I have never had a haircut. I would not let anyone touch it. I really like long hair.
Tulsi is in for trouble. I have found the girl I was looking for. I didn't realize that the one I was looking for was right here. Radha, you are perfect to take Tulsi's vermilion out of the house. Tulsi is certain to leave now.
Did you say something, sister?
I'm not among those who brag. I believe in action.
What?
I kept you busy with my chatter. You just go and do your work. And the henna setup is ready. And please check if the swing is ready too. Make sure everything is in place, please. You see, the responsibility of this house is on your shoulders.
Yes, sister, I'll check. Don't worry, okay? I'll be back.
Mom is right, Radha. You do all your work nicely. That's why you will do my work today. Today is the day when all my troubles will come to an end. Tulsi, just get ready to leave this house. Because of the same girl who unknowingly saved you twice. And today she will unknowingly throw you out. This Haryali Teej will light up my life and destroy you completely.
Hey girl,
Greetings. Forgive me, who are you?
I know you. Come, let me apply henna.
No, you are mistaken.
Hey,
I'm.
why are you saying no? My name is Janki, Aunt Janki. I have been applying henna to the brides of Vrindavan for 30 years. It takes me a moment to recognize the bride. Let me apply henna to you on this beach.
Bride? No, Aunt, you don't get it. I am. What are
Hey,
you doing?
why are you saying no? This is an auspicious time. If you get henna applied before the turmeric dries up, you will rule like a queen.
No, that is fine. I don't want to get it applied. You, why don't you get it? Listen, I don't want this. Please.
The name of your groom is Mohan, right?
What have you done, Aunt?
Hey, I applied henna to the bride's hand.
Hey, that's what I'm saying. What did
Radha!
you?
I am the bride, not her.
What is the matter, Damini?
Look at this mother. She applied henna to Radha instead of me.
It's okay, dear. It's Haryali Teej. Everyone should get henna applied today. It's okay if Radha also applied it. Just come with me for a moment.
Did you hear that? That is what I was telling you. I am not the bride. The one standing there who just came, she is Mohan's bride. Her name is Sister Damini.
For the first time in 30 years, I couldn't identify the bride. My eyes are very sharp when it comes to identifying brides. You know, I can identify the bride from far away.
I think your eyes aren't as sharp as they used to be.
Listen, dear, I made a mistake, but please don't tell Miss Kadambari about it. If she gets upset, then I won't be able to come in this house again.
No.
And not just this house. Nobody will let me enter their house. I will not be able to make ends meet here in Vrindavan.
No.
Listen, dear, you just go and wash your hands before
Yes,
anyone sees
yes.
you. Go and
Yes,
wash your
I'll
hands.
do that.
Radha, wait. What is the matter, Radha? Why do you look so pale? The henna hasn't even left its shade. Hey, it is just henna. Don't you worry. Come on, extend your hands. Show me the design. What happened? Show it to me.
Sister.
Hey, Radha, why are you hesitating?
My dear bride, apply henna quickly before the other ladies arrive over here. Then everyone will queue up to get the henna applied.
Where did Radha go?
You will have to complete this task tomorrow itself. Remember, 6 p.m. Once the vermilion is out of the house, Tulsi will also leave.
Only 4 hours are left. After that, you will be out, Tulsi.
Pizza? Who ordered it? Ketki also can never stay hungry.
I ordered it.
Oh,
Yes.
Mohan! You ordered the pizza? I had thought that you have observed a fast for my Damini, just as Ajit has kept it for Ketki. By the way, you used to do it every year, right?
All this is nonsense. I don't believe in it. If staying hungry for someone really increased their lifespan, then Tulsi would. The one who is destined to die dies anyway, isn't it?
You see, your uncle, he also left me and went.
It is sad that good people die early.
Yeah.
Why are you getting worried?
What?
Calm down. I am sure you aren't fasting. Then come, let's have some pizza.
No, my dear. I don't have this kind of food.
This is a special pizza. For special people. Aren't you special?
Yes, I am.
Then?
Okay. Leave it, my son. You have it alone. Why are you making a widow have all this spicy food? I have only one motto. Eat simple food and keep praising Lord.
Oh, it is an old motto. Don't you know about the new one? Eat pizza and go to Ibiza. Yeah. Now what do you say?
Okay, then fine. But this is a medium-sized pizza.
How do you know about these sizes? Small, medium and large. You're talking about your motto that eat simple food and praise the Lord, right?
Yes. I have seen Gungun eating. Mom, what is the matter?
Please come here.
I think Damini is calling. I'll just come.
Lord Krishna, Aunt Janki made such a huge mistake. What do I say? She thought I was Mohan's bride. Had Sister Damini seen Mohan's name on my hand, then she would have felt so bad. No, let me wash it off. No. If I wash this off, then it will be a bad omen. No, I cannot do it. But Mohan is getting married to Damini's sister. His name on my hand. Wash it off. No. I will wash it off. No, I cannot do it. What if something goes wrong? Then what should I do, Lord Krishna? Show me a way. This is all you're doing. Suggest a solution. What do I do with this?
Radha? What were you doing in the washroom for so long? And these tears? Were you crying in the washroom?
No, Gungun. Why will I cry? I was not crying.
That is why I tell you to practice lying. You can't lie convincingly. Anyways, bye. I'm getting late.
Study well, okay, Gungun? Gungun, you are right. I'm not good at lying. But one day, because of my grandma's promises, I will become a liar of the first order.
So, Mohan, you are not fasting for me. So go ahead and eat the pizza. Eat it.
Radha! Come here, please. I don't want to eat alone. So come and join me.
Oh Lord Krishna, how do I tell Mohan that I'm fasting? Grandma, your promises will get me in trouble.
Will you have pizza?
Pizza?
Hmm?
What is this, Mohan? Have you seen I always keep Gungun away from these junk food. I try to protect her. And you are doing this even though you are her dad. It's not done.
What is wrong with this?
Gungun had offered me pizza yesterday. It tasted like a rubber sandal.
How do you know what a rubber sandal tastes like?
I know it. It has similar taste. I know everything.
You don't understand it. This is different. This is special. I got it specially made. There are 3 types of cheese in it.
Hey Mohan, I use 15 different ingredients to make pav bhaji. I'll tell you, carrots, tomatoes, and
I know
then
how pav bhaji is made. I have eaten it. You have this. Come on.
No, Mohan.
Why no?
I mean, Granny is calling me. There must be work for me.
Okay, then take a slice and eat while working, okay?
No, Mohan. I'll go. Okay.
Hey,
I won't
listen.
eat.
It's a pizza, not poison. Why are you running away?
Mohan, I cannot eat it.
If you don't eat it, I will trouble you all day. Why don't you understand? This is Vrindavan's best pizza with extra toppings. You will forget about pav bhaji
Run
once you
away
eat this.
from here.
Right,
I don't
try
want
it.
it.
I can't have the entire pizza by myself. You will have to eat it. Do you think I can eat?
Mohan!
You are here. Just look at them.
Oh no. Hey, sorry. Why I'm saying to you, you didn't eat the pizza. See who ate it. She wasted the pizza.
It has come all the way till here, Mohan.
I think I was not destined to have pizza today. You are behaving as if you are observing a fast. Are you observing a fast? I will go and eat something else.
Oh, Granny, I will throw this away.
Yes,
okay?
you will have to clean the mess, dear. This. Take this as well. Make a bet for 1,000 rupees. I am telling you, she's fasting for your Mohan for sure.
I will make a bet, Mom. But if you win, then Radha has no idea what all she will lose. And if I come to know that she's fasting for my Mohan, then I will get rid of her along with Tulsi. Mom, hurry up. We only have 3 hours. We don't have time.
But like this.
Come on.
But.
What's this? Someone straightened the photo again. It's surprising.
You cannot do anything today, Mohan. It's Haryali Teej. And since you're fasting for me, then you will have to see my face.
Listen to me. Don't be under the impression that I'm fasting for you. I had told you that I would eat the whole day. The pizza got wasted, otherwise, it's okay. One got wasted, but I can order another one. I will order everything on the menu. I will eat everything. Right in front of you. Who is it?
It is me.
I can see that.
I got you some food. You haven't eaten anything. Uncle and Rahul have already eaten. Now you also eat?
You did the right thing. I'm very hungry. Give it.
Lord Krishna, I hope he does not see my hand. I have kept it there. Please eat. I'll leave. There is a lot of work.
What happened? Are you alright?
What do you mean? The poor girl is fasting for you. And she couldn't eat anything before sunrise. She keeps running around all day. It's natural for her to feel dizzy.
Yes, Mohan. I'm fine.
Radha? You do so much work in this house. You look after everyone.
Just as Lord Krishna. had picked up the Govardhan mountain. Similarly, you have taken responsibility of the whole house. Even by mistake, you do something wrong, then my dear, our lives will become very difficult.
Why do you say that, Granny? I like to do household things.
Dulari? Dulari! You have been resting since morning. Now do some work. Bring what I asked for. Come, Radha.
Damini
You
sister.
always look after everyone. But no one looks after you. No problem. I am there for you. Thank you, Dulari. I have noticed that you haven't had anything since morning. This is not done. Now I will feed you myself.
No, sister. I don't want to eat.
Why? What happened? Please eat a little.
Sister, just a minute. I feel uneasy. I feel nauseous. I think I need to rest. I will be fine after some rest, okay? I'll go and take rest.
Radha, sit. Sit down, sit down. Why are you feeling uneasy? Are you fasting today? Don't lie, Radha. You are fasting, right? Otherwise, you would have listened to me and eaten something. What is the problem? Eat it.
Sister, I need to drink some water. I'm really not feeling well. I will be fine after some rest, okay? I will eat later, I promise.
Radha, I know it very well that you are lying to me. You are lying, aren't you?
No, sister. I'm not lying.
If you are not lying, then swear on Lord Krishna and say that you aren't observing a fast.
I swear on Lord Krishna. I'm not observing a fast.
Oh no! I am ruined now. I have made a loss of 1,000 rupees. This girl has also sworn on Lord Krishna. I know this for sure that she will not say a lie. So she has definitely not kept the fast.
If she's not fasting, then why did she not eat?
Oh Lord Krishna, I committed a grave sin today. I think about you all day and chant your name, but today I lied after swearing on you, Lord Krishna. My grandma made me promise her that I wouldn't tell anyone that I had observed the Haryali Teej fast for Mohan. Please forgive your Radha. Please forgive me, Lord Krishna.
Oh gosh! This girl is such a big liar! Didn't I tell you? that this shorty is more cunning than she really appears to be.
She has shown her true colors today. She acts innocent, but she's very shrewd. She chants Lord Krishna's name all day, but Mohan resides in her heart. Look at her audacity. She's fasting for my Mohan, Mom. It took me so many years to forge a relationship with Mohan. And this girl wants to deprive me of it. No. I lost Mohan once because of Tulsi. I cannot lose him again because of Radha. I will do something that will make Mohan hate Radha a lot. Today, not only Tulsi but also Radha will be kicked out of this house, Mom. You will see. Just wait and watch Radha. It's 5 p.m., Mom. Tulsi and Radha's downfall has just begun.
But my dear, how will you do both these things together? On one hand, you need Radha to get rid of Vermilion. But on the other hand, you want to kick Radha out of this house. That means we will get what we want. And she will be out. Both will happen together. How?
It will happen, Mom. Just do as I say. You got it? We don't have much time and have a lot to do. I will start preparing to get rid of the Vermilion as soon as possible.
But do you even know where that ghost has hidden that Vermilion?
Tulsi was Mohan's wife, Mom. And where will a wife keep her Vermilion if not in her bedroom? The Vermilion is in Mohan's room.
Two-footed witch, you are no more now.
Did you get benefited from the fast, Tulsi? I fasted for you with sincerity, but you still died.
Mohan,
Yeah,
why are you troubling yourself? You cannot stay hungry. Come on, eat something.
no. I won't end my fast until you end yours.
I'm not breaking my fast. You know it is my first fast.
Fine then, if it is your first fast. It is a first for me as well. I also won't break it. You are very bad, Tulsi. I hate you very much. I do. Do you know how much I love you? I'm asking you, Tulsi. Do you know that? Oh, what are you doing? Hey, it is Haryali Teej today. All this doesn't look good. Personally, I like it. But... No?
I had read it somewhere that keeping a wet towel on the stomach when one is hungry makes one feel better. And you don't think about hunger. You're observing a fast, right? Think about something that you really like a lot. That you love a lot, Mohan.
That means I have to think about you. Now, I do that every day. But today, this spa-like thing what you're doing, how long will this continue?
Until the time you end the fast.
Really? Then it's good opportunity. I mean, let's go to sleep. The day will end and we won't even realize it. No?
You can sleep, I'm leaving.
Listen. Before you leave, I want to tell you a secret. Come here. Go now. I mean, don't go. Towel is wet. How is this towel here? I am thinking about stupid things. I must have brought it. There's no ghost here. It's good in a way. It will come in handy.
Mohan loves Tulsi so much even today. He is fasting for her even though she is no more. Seriously, Mohan. Only God can be so nice. Today I have become a bigger devotee of yours.
Yes, Radha. Mohan loves me a lot even today. I'm sure only a few husbands in this whole world observe a fast for their deceased wives. But Mohan has covered his love with a blanket of hate. But to be honest, he's not to be blamed. When there are hateful people around you all the time, you tend to get influenced by those people.
She's so shameless. Look how she's looking inside Mohan's room. She really loves Mohan. And I was blind not to see the truth, Mom.
My dear, you speak about yourself. I am not blind. I have 4 eyes, 2 in the front and 2 behind. I kept telling you, do something about her, do something. But you only wanted to speak about modern thoughts. Now suffer.
Yes, Mom. You are the cleverest person in this house. I can't hold a candle to you. Now go and do your work. Only 45 minutes are left for the clock to strike 6. And remember, first Radha and then Gungun.
But my dear,
Go! What are you doing here?
Well, I was.
Mohan, what happened? Why is your bed wet?
Sister Damini, I spilled the water. I will clean it right away. I mean, dry it, okay?
What is this, Radha? Mohan is absolutely right. You are a walking disaster. Excuse me. Yes? Yes, the books have been printed, but if you want to change anything...
Why did you lie?
Actually, Mohan, my grandma says that if the truth can hurt someone, it is not wrong to lie for that. So, had Sister Damini found out that you were fasting for Tulsi, she would have felt hurt.
I'm not observing a fast, Radha.
Okay, I believe you. If you are done, may I take the plate?
I will get rid of Radha for good. I just hope Mom implements the first part of my plan properly.
Let me be very clear. Whatever you want to do it yourself, okay? Never ever include me in the things that you do without consulting me.
My work is done now. At the same time, Radha's stay in this house is over.
Lord Krishna, please help me.
What is Damini up to? The poor girl has not eaten anything since morning, and she will make her clean the house.
Now everything is fine.
Yes, Mom. I think God is on my side today. Tulsi, I have finally found the weapon to kick you out of this house.
What is happening to me? My powers? Someone has removed my vermilion.